In the business report, corporate movements. Two notable Jamaican executives have made major moves in regards to their posts on listed companies. First, former managing director of NCB Capital Markets has retained his role in the investment banking side of corporate Jamaica. The Jamaica Stock Exchange Limited has advised of the appointment of Mr. Stephen Gooden as an independent director, effective March 27, 2024. Next, senior Jamaican business executive Sandra Glasgow tendered her resignation from the board of directors of Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited. The company has advised that Glasgow's departure was effective December 31, 2023. However, she agreed to remain on the board until the final meeting of the fiscal year. This meeting was held on February 6, where the MDS board acknowledged Glasgow's contribution to the development of the company in the various capacities in which she served. Investments concerning the provision of water and electricity in Jamaica have been in the spotlight. First, Jamaica Public Service is reporting increased profits for its financial year ended December 31, 2023. For the period under review, the power company made $68.15 million. It did so even though revenue declined from $1.16 billion in 2022 to $1.72 million last year. In the space of water providers, the public-private agreement for the construction of a $12 billion Riacobi water treatment plant in St. Catherine has been hailed as a step in the right direction to provide more potable water to the land of wood and water. The Pan Jam Group, Epley and Vinci Construction Grants projects are the other local players involved in the project. The three entities have formed the Riacobi Water that will build, finance, operate, maintain and transfer the water treatment plant for an initial period of 23 years of operation and an estimated 2 years of construction. The project is being financed by Sagicor Jamaica, Proparco and IDB Invest. Denise Williams has the update on the financial report.
During trading on March 28, 2024, the top three advancing stocks covered the finance and entertainment sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Epley, 7.5% shares advanced by 22.55% for a $1.15 price increase to close at $6.25 with 25 shares traded. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited Jamaican dollar shares advanced by 17.89% for a $1.97 increase to close at $12.98 with 9,204 shares traded. KLE Group Limited shares advanced by 14.78% for a 30-cent price jump to close at $2.33 with 144 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on March 28, 2024, the top three losers covered the manufacturing, finance, and utilities sectors. Epley Limited declined by 13.57% for a $5.44 price drop to close at $34.66 with 5,242 shares traded. Honeybun 1982 Limited declined by 12.99% for a 92-cent price drop to close at $6.16 with 23,012 shares traded. JPS 7% shares declined by 12.48% for a $5.99 price drop to close at $42.01 with 25 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on March 28, 2024, registered a volume of 634,346 shares crossing the floor of the exchange valued at TT $5,636,086.47. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with 337,859 shares changing hands for a value of TT $509,847.09, followed by Massey Holdings Limited with a volume of 89,058 shares being traded for TT $388,972.38. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 28, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $23.4 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $28 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $154.47 and bought the US dollar for $153.21. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.26, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.87 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.66 and bought for $112.79. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.94, selling it for $198.66 and buying it for $190.72. If you have faced challenges borrowing to meet everyday needs in a low-wage scenario, fear not. For our credit report tip of the day, rebuilding your credit score is well within reach, and we will share an empowering strategy centering on optimizing your credit report to guide you toward financial success. So begin by obtaining a copy of your credit report from each of the major credit bureaus. Carefully review each report for inaccuracies or discrepancies that could be dragging down your score. Dispute any errors you find to ensure your credit report accurately reflects your financial history, setting the stage for improvement. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams.